science. It's about the ability to understand and target our audience. You talk about art is having the canvas or digital canvas to really engage with the audience using very creative, rich media products. And then of course the scale to reach the masses, right, in meaningful numbers. So I think with this science, art and scale, we'll be able to work with advertisers to come up with very interesting campaigns for them. Okay, so LiveStand is a new product that will be out to market soon. It's not launched yet. Basically, it's a digital magazine format on tablets, right? So you talk about your iPad, and then soon we will also launch it in other operating systems as well. But for LiveStand, what happens is just imagine a digital magazine stand. So if you're standing in front of a magazine stand, right, you have opportunities to read any magazines that you want, and that's what we're having on LiveStand itself. And what happens is you are able to integrate all your content, even advertising content or advertisers within LiveStand.
LiveStand from Yahoo. More than an app, it's a digital newsstand that offers a wealth of ever-changing content, continuously programmed by a person's interests. Let's take a look. I'm into surfing. Surfer Mag is one of the many publications that I'm subscribed to. LiveStand constantly updates the stories I see based on my interests. It's locally aware. LiveStand helps publishers and advertisers reach their audiences with content that's dynamic and engaging for the consumer. Cutting-edge technology is powering LiveStand. It knows what I like. The personalization is implicit, based on my interests, and the more you use it, the more it gets to know you. With LiveStand, we're using ad formats that evoke the emotion of TV advertising, with a glossy, magazine-like experience. And they're combined with the effectiveness of an internet ad that's targeted, actionable, even location-aware. It's all personalized for you. LiveStand will be available as tablet apps, and as a publisher and advertiser platform in the first half of the year. It's going to be a game changer for how people publish and enjoy content. Go to livestand.com for more.